Silicone Spatula Set are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best silicone spatula set from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Number 1.
Are you tired of flimsy spatulas that melt, snap, or scratch your favorite nonstick pans? It's time for an upgrade. Introducing the 5-piece food-grade silicone spatula set, the last spatula set you'll ever need to buy. Each spatula features an upgraded, strong handle with an ergonomic grip that feels solid and comfortable in your hand. No more bending or breaking. The heads are crafted from premium, heat-resistant silicone, safe up to a massive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Go ahead, use them for high-heat cooking, candy making, or stirring a hot soup right on the stove. They won't melt or warp. And because they're silicone, they are perfectly gentle on your delicate non-stick cookware. No more scratches. From scraping every last drop to flipping the perfect pancake, this set has a tool for every task. Stop compromising in the kitchen. Elevate your cooking with the 5-piece silicone spatula set.
Number 2. You try to scrape the bowl, but the spatula just bends, leaving half the batter behind. Cooking should be joyful, not a series of small, frustrating battles with your tools. Well, it's time to say goodbye to all of that. Introducing the tool that will transform your kitchen experience, the Silicone Spatula 3-piece set. And it comes in a stunning, modern aqua sky color that will instantly brighten your countertop. The heads are made from premium, food-grade silicone that's high heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You can stir sauces right in the pot or sauté vegetables without a single worry about melting or warping. And we designed this set for ultimate versatility. You get 3 essential shapes: the classic large spatula for folding and mixing, the spoonula for scooping and serving, and the slender jar spatula, perfect for getting every last bit out of your peanut butter or jam jars. Plus, the seamless one-piece design means there are no cracks for food to get trapped in. They are incredibly easy to clean and completely dishwasher safe.
Number 3.
You're trying to get every last bit of delicious brownie batter, but your old, flimsy spatula leaves half of it behind. Or worse, you leave it on the edge of a hot pan for a second and it starts to melt. There's a better way to cook, bake, and mix. It's time to upgrade to the HOTEC heat-resistant silicone spatula set. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's your new best friend in the kitchen. First, let's talk about heat. These spatulas are made from premium, food-grade silicone that's heat-resistant up to an incredible 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir that simmering sauce, scramble those eggs, or make homemade caramel without a single worry about melting or warping. They're 100% BPA-Free, so you can cook for your family with complete peace of mind. And the design is brilliant. The seamless, one-piece construction means no crevices for old food to get trapped in. They're sturdy, yet flexible, scraping every last drop from the bowl, saving you food and money.
Number 4.
Tired of kitchen tools that let you down? Spatula heads that pop off mid-stir? Or that impossible-to-clean gunk that builds up in the seams? Your kitchen deserves better. You deserve a tool that works as hard as you do. Introducing the revolutionary kitchen utensil designed for perfection. We started with a clean, seamless, one-piece design. That means absolutely no cracks, no crevices, and no place for food or bacteria to hide. It's the most hygienic tool in your drawer, and cleanup is effortless. The head is crafted from pro-grade, non-stick silicone rubber. It's heat-resistant up to 600 degrees, so it won't melt or warp. And it's completely safe for your expensive non-stick pans. But the real magic is inside.
Our exclusive stainless steel S-Core technology runs from tip to handle, giving you the strength to scrape the thickest batter and the rigidity to fold the heaviest dough. No more flimsy bending.
Number 5.
It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the Versature 5-piece Silicone Spatula Set. This isn't just one spatula, it's your complete toolkit for every cooking and baking job. From stirring sauces to folding delicate egg whites, there's a perfect tool for every task. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-Free silicone, you can cook with total peace of mind. These spatulas are incredibly heat-resistant, so go ahead and saute, stir-fry, and scrape hot pans without worry. Their seamless one-piece design means no food gets trapped and no heads pop off. And the best part? When you're done, cleanup is effortless. Just toss them right in the dishwasher. Stop struggling and start creating. Search for the Versature 5-piece Silicone Spatula Set on Amazon today. Cook smarter, not harder.